Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of Switzerland's most underrated and underappreciated watchmakers, MIDO. For over a century, MIDO has been quietly crafting beautifully designed, robustly engineered timepieces that consistently punch far above their price tag. From sporty divers to elegant dress watches, from skeleton masterpieces to powerful chronographs, MIDO's lineup is a goldmine for the value-conscious collector. These are 10 of the very best MIDO watches you should know about right now. Let's get into it. Number 10. MIDO Ocean Star GMT Special Edition. Watch kicking off our list is the MIDO Ocean Star GMT Special Edition, a watch that immediately announces itself as something genuinely special. This is MIDO's answer to the Globetrotter's dream, a bold, sporty GMT complication housed in the Ocean Star's signature robust dive-ready case. The dual time zone functionality is executed with clarity, featuring a color-coded 24-hour hand that sweeps effortlessly over a crisp, legible dial. The special edition colorways are where MIDO truly flexes its design muscles. Bold, eye-catching combinations that elevate this watch far beyond a standard toolpiece into something you actually want to show off. Water-resistant to 300 meters with a unidirectional rotating bezel, this is a GMT that's equally at home under the waves or across time zones at 35,000 feet. The movement inside is the reliable Caliber 80, offering an outstanding 80-hour power reserve that makes jet lag-induced watch winding a thing of the past. For travelers, adventurers, and collectors who want Swiss-made GMT capability without Swiss luxury pricing, the Ocean Star GMT Special Edition is an exceptional choice. The MIDO Ocean Star GMT Special Edition retails for approximately $1,350 USD. Number 9. MIDO Multifort Power Reserve Watch. The MIDO Multifort Power Reserve is a watch that wears its engineering credentials right on the dial, and what credentials they are. The Power Reserve indicator is elegantly integrated into the dial layout, giving you an at-a-glance readout of how much energy remains in the mainspring. It's a complication that speaks to the mechanical soul of serious watch enthusiasts, adding genuine functional depth without tipping into unnecessary complexity. The Multifort case design is one of MIDO's most iconic, angular, architectural, and unmistakably Swiss in character. It has a solidity and presence on the wrist that feels far more expensive than the price suggests. Inside, a capable automatic movement keeps accurate time while the Power Reserve display ensures you're never caught off guard by a stopped watch. The dial finishing is clean and purposeful, with well-proportioned hands and markers that deliver effortless readability. If you appreciate watches that say something about how they work rather than simply looking decorative, the Multifort Power Reserve is an incredibly satisfying piece to own. The MIDO Multifort Power Reserve retails for approximately $100 USD. Number 8. MIDO Multifort Mechanical Skeleton. Limited edition watch is where MIDO shows you just how beautiful its movement work really is. The Multifort Mechanical Skeleton Limited Edition strips away the dial to reveal the intricate choreographed machinery beating at the heart of the watch, and the result is genuinely breathtaking. Skeletonization is an art form, and MIDO has executed it with extraordinary care here. Bridges and plates are carefully open-worked to expose the gear train, the balance wheel, and the escapement in all their rhythmic glory, while maintaining the structural integrity needed for reliable daily wear. The finishing on the movement components is impressive at this price point. Polished bevels catch the light in a way that rewards close inspection. Housed in the rugged, angular Multifort case with its signature crown-protecting horns, this skeleton offers a fascinating contrast between industrial toughness on the outside and horological artistry within. As a limited edition, it carries genuine collectability alongside its visual drama. This is the watch you reach for when you want to explain to someone why mechanical watchmaking matters. The MIDO Multifort Mechanical Skeleton Limited Edition retails for approximately $1,450 USD. Number 7. MIDO Ocean Star Automatic Green Dial Men's Watch. Few colors have captured the watch world's imagination in recent years quite like green, and MIDO's Ocean Star Automatic in green dial is one of the most convincing and attractive expressions of this trend at an accessible price point. The sunburst green dial is a genuinely stunning piece of work, rich, deep, and alive with shifting tones as the light catches it from different angles. It's paired beautifully with the Ocean Star's robust 42.5mm stainless steel case, unidirectional bezel, and 300 meters of water resistance, making this a dive watch with the confidence to back up its looks. The Caliber 80 movement inside delivers that class-leading 80-hour power reserve, meaning this watch will run through a long weekend without needing a touch. On the integrated bracelet, or a complementary rubber strap, the Ocean Star green dial has an energy and vitality that makes it genuinely hard to put down. Whether you're drawn to it for the water or simply for how it looks on your wrist, this is one of those watches that puts a smile on your face every time you glance down at it. The MIDO Ocean Star automatic green dial retails for approximately $950 USDs. Number 6. MIDO Multifort Patrimony Chronograph Watch. The Multifort Patrimony Chronograph is MIDO demonstrating with complete confidence that it can deliver Swiss chronograph excellence without the Swiss luxury price tag. Chronographs are among the most complex and mechanically rewarding complications in watchmaking, and the Patrimony executes the formula superbly. The dial layout is a masterclass in sports watch clarity. Subdials for elapsed minutes and running seconds are perfectly positioned for instant readability, while the case proportions keep everything balanced and wearable. The Multifort Patrimony's design leans into vintage inspiration. The Patrimony name is not accidental, giving it a warm, heritage-tinged character that sets it apart from purely modern sports chronographs. Pushers engage with a satisfying, precise action, and the column wheel movement inside ensures smooth, reliable operation over years of daily use. The dial textures, applied indices, and contrasting subdial finishing all speak to a level of detail that collectors will genuinely appreciate. If you've wanted a mechanical chronograph from a real Swiss manufacturer but found the big names out of reach, the Multifort Patrimony Chronograph deserves your serious attention. The MIDO Multifort Patrimony Chronograph retails for approximately $1,300 USD. Number 5. MIDO Multifort Chronometer Automatic Blue Dial Men's Watch. Halfway up the list, and we're arriving at one of MIDO's most impressive technical achievements, the Multifort Chronometer Automatic. The word chronometer on a dial isn't decoration. It means this watch has been independently tested and certified by COSC, the official Swiss Chronometer Testing Institute, to run within 4.6 seconds per day. That's a standard most watches at any price point never achieve. The blue dial version is particularly compelling. A rich, confident blue that gives the watch a dress sport versatility that makes it appropriate for an extraordinary range of occasions. The Multifort case's angular architecture gives it a masculine, assured presence, while the chronometer certification gives it technical credibility that watch enthusiasts genuinely respect. This is a watch you can wear to a meeting, wear to the mountains, and feel equally confident both times. The combination of COSC-certified accuracy, Swiss automatic movement, and striking blue dial at MIDO's characteristically honest price point makes this one of the most complete value propositions on this entire list. The MIDO Multifort Chronometer Automatic Blue Dial retails for approximately $200 USD. Number 4. MIDO Commander Big Date Swiss Watch. The MIDO Commander Big Date is a watch with genuine pedigree and a complication that is more useful and more beautiful than people often give it credit for. The Big Date display, showing the date in large, instantly readable numerals through a generously sized aperture, is one of those features that you don't fully appreciate until you've lived with it daily. No more squinting at a tiny date window in awkward lighting. The Commander's date is simply there, clear and unambiguous. The Commander line has been a part of MIDO's catalog for decades, and that heritage is evident in the refined, slightly dressy character of its case and dial design. Polished case surfaces, elegant dial proportions, and carefully finished hands give it a step up in formality from the sportier Multifort and Ocean Star lines, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a Swiss automatic that transitions effortlessly from professional to social settings. The movement is reliable, accurate, and well executed, exactly what you'd expect from a manufacturer with MIDO's track record. The Commander Big Date is the kind of watch that earns quiet admiration from those who know watches. The MIDO Commander Big Date retails for approximately $1,050 USD. Number 2. MIDO Baroncelli Signature. Watch the Baroncelli Signature. And if you're looking for a Swiss dress watch that achieves genuine watch world distinction at an attainable price, this is one of the most compelling cases you'll find anywhere. The Signature takes everything that makes the Baroncelli tradition exceptional and adds its own layer of individuality and refinement. The dial work is extraordinary for the price point. Galoche-inspired textures, exquisitely finished hands, and a harmony of proportions that speaks to decades of Swiss craft heritage. There's a confidence and completeness to the Baroncelli signature's design that communicates exactly what serious collectors mean when they talk about a watch that wears above its price. The in-house MIDO movement inside is reliable and well-finished, visible through the exhibition caseback, and worthy of the beautiful exterior it powers. Whether you're building a first dress watch collection or adding a refined daily wearer to an established lineup, the Baroncelli signature is a watch that you'll reach for again and again, that will receive genuine compliments from people who know fine watches, and that will age with extraordinary grace. The MIDO Baroncelli signature retails for approximately $1,000 USD. Number 1. MIDO Ocean Star Automatic. Watch the watch that best represents everything MIDO stands for as a manufacturer is the MIDO Ocean Star Automatic. This is not a flashy choice, and that is precisely the point. The Ocean Star Automatic is MIDO's definitive statement. A Swiss-made, properly capable dive watch delivering genuine quality, genuine heritage, and genuine value in a package that requires no compromise and no apology. Water-resistant to 200 meters with a unidirectional rotating bezel, luminous hands and indices for underwater legibility, and a robust stainless steel case built to handle the demands of real aquatic use. The Ocean Star Automatic does everything a serious dive watch needs to do. But what elevates it to the top of this list is how it does all of that while also being a supremely wearable, handsome, everyday watch. The dial design is clean and confident without being generic. The bracelet, brushed and polished in all the right places, looks and feels far more expensive than the price suggests. And powering all of it is MIDO's Caliber 80, with its remarkable 80-hour power reserve, ensuring this watch keeps working beautifully through long weekends, travel, and the unpredictable rhythms of daily life. The Ocean Star Automatic is the watch that proves MIDO's core philosophy, that exceptional Swiss watchmaking doesn't require an exceptional budget. This is the one to start with, and for many collectors, it will be the one they keep coming back to. The MIDO Ocean Star Automatic retails for approximately $850 USD.